Beshies guys, this is Fiona, an OFW here in Taiwan, so welcome to my channel. For today's video, may pupuntahan kami restaurant ni Amiga. And tagal-tagal ko na rin hindi nakagawa ng video kasi naging busy ako and yun, hindi na ako nakaisip ng ibang content. But today, because nagtanong si Amiga bakit wala akong video ng matagal na panahon, so ngayon naisip ko, it's the best time since lalabas kami. Hello Beshies guys, nandito na kami sa taxi, tapos na kami mag-ayos and pupunta na kami dun sa restaurant. So may bibigay ko yung details. So kasama ko si Amiga. Nag-book kami ng taxi.
You forgot to wear a mask.
Nga pala, kailangan mag-wear ng mask.
The COVID-19.
The COVID-19 is the most talk about this year, I think. It's the most controversial, right?
Yeah. Actually, even at the moment, it's not the lockdown, but it still need to notice the situation, it's become your normal life.
Yeah, social distancing and keep wearing the mask, right?
Yeah.
Those are the things you need to remember. Actually, Beshies guys, kung gusto nyo mag-book ng taxi dito sa Taiwan, just download the app Time Taxi. Nakatulong siya. So, click nyo lang yung instant. Send. Tapos, choose nyo lang kung saan yung pick-up location. Tulad nito. And then, i-pin nyo lang kung saan yung location nyo. Confirm. Tapos, sulat nyo lang dahil kung saan nyo gustong pumunta. Then, click OK. Then, pagkatapos ito, may taxi na magre-respond sa inyo para pick upin kayo. So, parang siyang Uber or Grab dito sa Taiwan. But it's the yellow taxi. Nasa pangalawang taxi na kami kasi yung unang taxi dinala kami sa maling lugar. So, ngayon, papunta na kami dun sa talagang restaurant na talagang pinok ni Amiga. Medyo mainit pa yung ulo ni Amiga. Kasi naligaw kami. Pagod na nga si Amiga. Pakiatin pa na second floor. Ito. So guys, ito yung menu nila. Moments in time. So dito sa Taichung. So ito, nag-price siya na 180 NTD. And then, ito, sabi ni Amiga, ito yung afternoon tea set nila. So, meron kang scone, green tea, and double package. Then, ito yung mga corresponding price niya. Kung okay to or ito.
Curry.
You choose the curry one.
And I find out the one thing.
Yeah.
This one is for the vegetarian. It's not a no meat.
So, how do you... What can you say?
It's tasty.
Nagustuhan ko. So, kakain lang kami ni Amiga. Tapusin lang namin itong meal na ito. Ito yung Beshies guys. Tatapos ko na siya. Masarap siya yung sense. Vegetarian siya. The next one to dig in is this one. Scone with my coffee. So, kain na.
Do you think the price is reasonable?
It's okay.
Why? Because our current bill was current bill is 1474 NTD. So you think for the Taiwanese is reasonable?
For Taiwanese, I think it may be just your relaxed time. You come here and eat the meal and have the chatting with your friend. It's okay.
Oh,
Yeah. Because here you can spend the time to stay here longer to do the trekking, and you can see actually it's not at the moment it's not the really costly thing. So it's quite pace.
That is my amiga's feedback.
Basically, you should stick your tea but without the sound. It's quite
It's amiga's tea. Yeah, how's oh it's
It's just normal milk tea.
and the scone. Wow. Time to dig in. Here, Miga. So we finished eating in this restaurant and I enjoy the food. How about you, Amiga?
I also enjoy my food, especially the scone and tea.
So what can you say about the vegetarian dishes? It's healthy, right?
It's healthy and light.
Oh.
Yeah, but I still prefer the meat.
So next time we will go to another shop and try something new. So I hope to see you guys later and on my next video, and please hit the subscribe button. If you have comment, please write it down below, and see you next time. Bye bye.